Hey everyone, so welcome to another day that we're probably somewhat indoors even more now that almost everything is shutting down in New York. Wanted to show you how to relieve some anxiety, de-stress, purify your space, and just bring some balance into your life. So I made a couple of things from aromatic botanicals, which you can use any kind, whether it's lavender, rose, sage, rosemary, peppermint, calendula, chamomile. Here I'm showing rose and lavender. And so let me get closer. And with our trademark charmed messages of believe, hope, and love, which is our message to the world, united as one, believe, hope, and love yourself and others, especially during this time. The charms can be repurposed and reused as a necklace or a bracelet, hence they're on different on different types of strings. And then we also have every single product comes with a selenite stick, which is this. Selenite is extremely beneficial for mental health, balancing, stabilizing emotions, helps with depression, calming, and also purifying. As well as if you'd like to burn the Palo Santo or the lavender. Palo Santo is well known, of course, in with the shamans and from Peru to cleanse the space, cleanse yourself, purify. It's known actually to release purifying properties when burned. And in fact, the Palo Santo is also known to remove negativity and attract good fortune. The lavender to burn, or any of the lavender, which is in all of the products, is also known, of course, to have a refreshing scent, but also to just promote peaceful restfulness, happiness. So you can burn that as well, and just for some happiness. Our lavender sachets, our wellness bath sachets, are mixed with all sorts of different salts and different herbs and essential oils, or we just have our what I call nature jars, which are these beautiful things which I showed the other day. I put in aromatic botanicals and crystals, and you can just create that, take that with you anywhere that you'd like, just to refresh. Open up the bottle, hang it on your neck as a string, or that's even for a foot bath. This item could be wonderful. So you can order this from us, or just make it yourself. I can also give the ingredient list, and hope everyone stays safe and healthy.